These are
Animals.
these are
Animals.
okay. Tarika, come. Tarika, can you show me where is sheep? What is this?
Sheep.
Is this a wild animal?
No.
Is it a domestic animal?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Menchu. Where is tiger? Can you show me? What is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Is tiger at your home?
No.
Then where it is?
Yes.
In the?
Yes.
Is it in the jungle?
Yes.
Is it a wild animal?
Yes.
Okay, good. What animal is that, Zainab?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Very good. Everyone clap for her. Yes, Abdul Muhaimin. Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Huh? Tell me.
Tiger.
Tiger. Where is tiger? Show me where is tiger. Oh, is that a tiger? Where it lives?
In jungle.
In the jungle. Okay, good. Shekhar, show me where is horse.
Yes.
Is that a horse? Is it a wild animal? Is it a wild animal? No. Is it a domestic animal?
Yes.
Say yes. Yes, very good. Yes, Asfiya, come. Alfia, come. Where is snake, Alfia? Can you show me where is snake? Yes, come. Pick it up. What is this? What is the sound? Huh? Hiss. Very good. Nuran. Nuran, can you show me where is zebra? What is this?
Zebra.
Zebra. What is the color of zebra?
Black and white.
Very good. It is black and white. Namana, what animal is this?
Red.
This is rhino. Very good. Clap for her. Namana, is this a domestic animal?
No.
Then, is it a wild animal?
Yes.
Very good. Asfiya, come. Asfiya, which is the tallest animal? What is that? What is the name of it? Huh?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Very good. Yes, Janani, come here. Janani, can you show me where is goat? Is that a goat?
Yes.
Is it a wild animal?
No.
Is it a domestic animal?
Yes.
Very good. Yes,